To use a MetaMask wallet, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Upon logging in, you will see your home screen, which includes an option to switch between different networks, such as the Ethereum main network, Binance Smart Chain, and others. You can add a new network by tapping the Add option, and then approving and switching to the new network. On the home screen, you will see 4 main options: receive, buy, send, and swap. The receive option provides you with your wallet address, which you can use to receive payments. The buy option allows you to purchase cryptocurrency, with options to pay using PayPal, instant bank transfer, or debit, credit card. Although the options may vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency you are buying, there is a minimum purchase amount of $20. The send option enables you to transfer funds from your wallet to another wallet, such as Binance or Coinbase. To do this, you will need to select the account you are sending from, enter the recipient's wallet address, and then transfer the funds. The swap option allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another within your wallet. To do this, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange from. Choose the token you want to exchange to, enter the amount, and then complete the swap. Tapping the 3 horizontal lines on the top left of the screen will open a menu with options to add funds, browse your wallet activity, and share your public address. You can also access the settings menu, which includes general settings, security and privacy settings, and advanced settings. If you want to lock or log out of your account, you can tap the lock option and then confirm. To delete your account, go to the settings, tap reset wallet, and then follow the prompts to confirm the deletion.